Guys, so man, I just barely found it. Like, it was so hard to see. That was one of the leads on the power transistor module. It's actually not a power transistor. It's a amplifier module with like 4 leads on it, and there's multiple transistors in it, I guess. Anyway, it was one of the center ones. I noticed I could wiggle it back and forth a little bit too much. It was really kind of hard to tell, though. But anyway, I soldered it up like excessively well. It still has wiggle room, but anyway, that's a TDA, a 3040 or something like that, 2040 power module. You can almost read it from here. Anyway, let me zoom on out of this thing. Okay, guitar's not tuned. I don't have my little tuner, and I'm not like good at tuning by ear, but anyway. It's kind of like got this sort of Black Sabbath-y sound. It would be really, really good for like that. It's got like a clean, let's see. Music's totally out of tune. And the lead channel has this, they call it super saturate or something, but well, I gotta go. I gotta get batteries for the kids' thing. So it works. Hold on, August.